Your first mode of transport may well not have been Apollo 13, but I'm sure that you will recognise the very familiar logo of the Haynes Manual. And of course, the Haynes Manual is the reason the Haynes International Motor Museum exists today. The success of the sale of the manuals and the growth of the Haynes Publishing Group enabled the late John Haynes to indulge in his passion, the motor car. And in 1985, the museum was founded, and his philanthropic generosity over the following decades has enabled the museum to grow to an internationally renowned collection of cars. Today I'd like to talk in a little bit more detail with Chris Marsh, our curator, to find out more about the new John Haynes exhibition that will be open when the museum reopens later on this year.
Thanks, Chris. What I think is really important, and what we feel is really important for everybody, is to understand who John Haynes was, and understand that we've got a man here who is passionate about cars, but passionate about what people's interaction and people's enthusiasm was about those cars. And so the exhibition itself will take you through some really interesting stories, some in-depth behind-the-scenes elements about John and about his life, about the publishing side of things, and from a very primitive stance right through to publishing today in a digital age. The John Haynes exhibition space will also be the first space that you go into as you enter the museum itself. So it will provide a really good context for the rest of the collection, why it is the way it is, and why it's arranged the way it's arranged as well. And we think that is really important to understand some of the vehicles that we have, why we have them, and also why some of the exhibitions and the galleries are called the way they are.
And of course, the John Haynes exhibition is just one of a number of new exhibitions that will be opening up later on in the year. So please do tune back in to the Road to Reopening, and we'll tell you some more about our other exciting plans fairly shortly.